Today we'll be downloading Visual Studio Code in order to get us started based on our series. Let's get started. So, install Visual Studio Code. You can either go to code.visualstudio.com or you can go to Google and search Visual Studio Code. And if you do, first link that you see there is where you want to go. You can go directly to also to download. And let's click through that. So visualstudiocode.com/download. And here you can install whichever version of platform that you have. So if you have Windows, download here. If you have Linux, either you can get the RPM based on Red Hat Fedora or .deb based on Ubuntu Debian. If you want Mac OS, you can install it here. Since I am on Windows, I'm going to download this version. Keep in mind, you can get the zip version here, but I'm going to install this guy since it should give me the MSI, the Microsoft Software Installer, or an executable. So this is going to be an executable. Going to download that. While that downloads, we can read through it. Just how to get started. You can see it in action, some topic extensions, some first steps, get some intro videos, how to use it, some tricks, some keyboard shortcuts, etc. I'm going to get this keyboard shortcut so that I can reference and basically we can learn as we go as well. So let's see, still a few seconds left. So let's see, we have keyboard shortcuts. Let's go to Windows. Let's have Windows. Oh, nice. So here are the shortcuts here. Let's zoom in a little bit. So let's see. So we got Control Shift P, show command palette. So some of these are basic editing. Control X, Control C, very, very good. Move line up, move line down. Multi-cursor selection is pretty helpful. Alt-click, nice, nice. Search and replace, nice, nice. So yeah, I'll keep this bookmarked here. Hopefully we can learn these as we go. So this will be very, very helpful. So I would keep that in mind here. So the download has completed. So let's open that file. While that is showing up, let us show you what that looks like. Alright, so here's basically what it looks like after it's running the installer. It's an executable, not a Microsoft installer, which is fine. Should be the same thing. So here's your terms and conditions, the data collected, the updates, etc. I would leave that to you to read through that and either cannot accept and not use it, or if you want to use it like I am, I'm going to accept the agreement. Hit next. Here's where you can download it. Basically, this is how much space you need. Free space. You can change it here by hitting browse, or you can accept where it's going to install. So I'm going to hit next. You can have a start menu folder. You can name it whatever you want. Different browser. Don't create a start menu folder, etc. So I'm going to hit next. So here's a couple of tasks you can do. You create a desktop icon. You can add an open with code action to Windows Explorer, or you can add open with code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. And you can add it to the path. I'm going to add open with code action to Windows Explorer just in case I want to open this. I don't want a desktop shortcut. That's fine. So basically gives you an overview what it's going to do and then install. Wow, now it's installing. While it's installing, I'd like to tell you all some exciting news. We got Visual Studio Code, we got Python, we got Go now. Let us start writing some code. So the next episode, we'll start building out some project. Hopefully you'll show up for that. Subscribe to the channel so that you get that notification, that bell alert we got the new episode up, and leave a like if you like this video. All right, so it's done. Let's hit finish. And now it'll show up. Do 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 do. Boop, 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 boom. There it is. We installed Visual Studio Code, and there's some release notes. They're loading up. So like I said, we've installed Visual Studio Code. Gives you a nice welcome. You can customize, get what you need on here. Supports JavaScript, Python, Java, PHP, and more. This will be your text editor. This is a popular text editor. You can use Sublime, you can use Atom, you can use VI, you can use Vim, you can use Emacs, whatever you desire. I'm going to be coding in Visual Studio Code just to show you how it works and the ease and simplicity of it. You can use IntelliJ, you can use PyCharm, whatever you like, but I'll be using Visual Studio Code for these episodes. So thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video. Comment down below with your favorite text editor. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.